Hey guys, welcome back to Raw Doing Stuff. Today we're doing baked beans on the smoker. So the first thing you want to do is get you 1 pound of bacon. You want to slice it up into about 1-inch pieces, and you want to put that into your frying pan. Just like so. And you're going to get you 2 jalapenos. You're going to slice up the jalapeno. You're going to take the seeds out of them. You want to get the seeds out or it'll be too hot. If you like it spicy, a little heat to it, you can leave some of those seeds in there. My family likes it mild, so I'm going to take the seeds out and slice those jalapenos up into small pieces and set those aside for the moment. So once you have your jalapenos sliced up, you're going to find you a bell pepper. I happen to have a red bell pepper. You can use a green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, anything you want. There again, remove the seeds and just dice it up about the same size as you did the jalapeno. So once you're done with that, then you can get you a red onion, and we're going to slice that up as well. Get rid of the skin off the outside of it. Kind of a medium-sized red onion. And you're just going to dice that up about the same size as the bell pepper and the jalapeno. And then we're going to throw all those vegetables in the pan once we get our bacon cooked. So we've got our bacon in the pan. We're going to go ahead and get that fried up. What you're going to want to do is add a little bit of pepper. That's what I like to do. Maybe a little bit of salt if you like that. Bacon's pretty salty anyway though, so you usually don't really need any salt. So just some pepper, and then we're going to get that fried up. Now when you have it about 3/4 of the way fried up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add your vegetables to it so that the bacon finishes cooking. And you're going to saute your vegetables in the bacon grease. So just get those in there, stir them around, get them cooked up. So you can see we got our vegetables all fried up. So while those are finishing up, we're going to get our beans drained. We have a 1 pound can of Bush's Original Baked Beans. We're going to want to drain the liquid off of those because when we put all of our beans, all of our ingredients together, we're going to add some barbecue sauce and add some liquid back to it. And if you don't drain that liquid off, it's going to be really runny. You can use any brand of beans you want. I like the Bush's. I think they have a good flavor, but anything you prefer you can throw in there and use. So just drain those off, and then we'll get those in the pan and get it all put together. So our vegetables and our bacon's done, so we're going to put some paper towels in this bowl, and we're going to dump our bacon and our vegetables in there and get the grease separated off of those. So we just dump those in the bowl and let them drain for a while. So now we got us an aluminum baking pan. I like to use those because then you can just throw it away when you're done and it doesn't get all messed up in the smoker. Put our beans in the pan. We're going to add 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And then we're going to add our vegetables in there as well. Doesn't really matter what order you do it in, just as long as you get everything in there and get it mixed up. So now we're going to add some barbecue sauce. I'm using this Stubbs brand barbecue sauce. You can use any brand you like. Use your favorite sauce. I like this. It has a little bit of a vinegar flavor to it. Seems to mix well with the beans and make them taste really good. So we get our barbecue sauce in there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Any brand will do. Usually add about a tablespoon, or if you like a little stronger, just whatever you like. So I usually put about a tablespoon in there. Seems to be about right. And then the next thing you're going to add to your beans is your favorite rub. Now this is the CC Riders rib rub that I use in a lot of my videos. I really like it. I'll put a link to the recipe in the description. Add 2 tablespoons of that. You can use any rub that you like, just your favorite rub, whatever you think would taste good in baked beans. So once you have your rub in there, then you want to just get everything mixed up really well. Get all your flavors and everything blended together. And then we're going to get this out onto the smoker and we'll show you what we do from there. Alright guys, so we got these beans put together. These are going to be good, you know that. So we're going to put these on here. Got my brisket on there, put my beans on there. These beans are going to need to go uncovered for about probably an hour and a half. Then we'll cover them up and let them go about another 45 minutes to an hour. Just let all those flavors mesh together and you know it's going to taste good. So I'll bring you back when we go to cover those and show you what they're looking like. You guys, our beans have been on here for about an hour and a half. I'm going to cover these up. So they're getting a little bit dry on top, but I still want them to cook and for those flavors to kind of come together. So that's why I cover them, because they seem to dry out too much if you don't. But I like to have them uncovered at first to get the smoke and smoke flavor on them. Okay, I'm going to give those about another 30 minutes and then we're going to eat them. Alright guys, so our beans are done. They've been done for about a half hour. I just turned the smoker off and let them kind of sit in there, cool off just a little bit. Got some good steam going on here. We're going to try these out. You can see they're about the right consistency. That's because we drained all that liquid off of them earlier. We got to get a piece of this bacon, some beans. Those are going to be hot though. Oh yeah, good beans. We better get some here for the camera guy. You better blow on those, cool them off a bit. Tell us what you think. That's the cameraman's payment right there. Is a spoonful of beans. It's pretty cheap.
Some good beans right there.
Oh yeah. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and a like. And we'll see you on the next one.